Hello there, welcome back to the new lecture. So in lecture 3rd, we'll see the lighting effect. So let's start. We have drawn this floor and we have placed the table in that floor. Now if you want to apply the lighting effect, so what you have to do, see. First you have to open your visualize tab. Okay, in visualize tab you can see here lighting panel, create light option is given. Hit on this create light. Which type of light you want? Point, spot, distant, web light, whatever light you want you can select it from here. So first of all what I am doing, from where you want to focus, so as per your requirement you can use the light. See, hit on home tab. Suppose in draw panel I want to draw the line. Suppose from here I am drawing one line. Okay, from here I want to aim the object up to which height, what height, as per that you can just, so that much of height I have given. Okay, means I want to focus my light into this table or whatever area as per your requirement. So from where you want to focus this at that much of height. Okay, now come here in visualize tab, lights panel, hit on this spotlight. Okay, then from here you have to hit on turn off the default lighting recommended. Now place the light. See, in this way just specify your source location. Now specify the target location. So you want to target to this table, so just select the corner of this table like this, then enter. Okay, but see, can you see the brightness is visible here? No, because the intensity factor of this light is very low, I think. So for that what you have to do, first you have to select the light, then you have to open the property. So for that use the shortcut mo command, enter. Now see, the property is open here. No selection is showing. 1 minute. Select the light from here, mo, enter. Select object. Okay, now see, sorry, again just select the light first. Okay, now see here intensity factor for light, it is given 1. That is why the brightness is not visible. So you have to decide. Suppose here I have given 20, enter. Now see, that much of brightness you will get. If you increase the intensity factor 50, okay, now see, that much of brightness. From here you can focus from where you want brightness. Okay, so as per your requirement. See, in this way you can change the direction also, focus direction. So in this way we are aiming. See the lighting effect. Now close it from here. So here what we have done, we have focus in this table. Now you can if you want to increase the brightness you can increase it. So for that you have to open the property. First select the light. For properties use the shortcut mo, then increase the intensity factor. Suppose I don't want to target here, just select, you can change the direction from here like this. You can increase the area. Okay, from here if you don't want this point as an end point destination, as per that you can select it. Okay, so this is about how to apply the lighting effect. Now just press the Ctrl Z. Okay, now I will show you. I don't want to place this type of light, I want to place some other light like so. Same, I have taken one reference point from where you want to aim. So now from here I am selecting a point light. Suppose hit on turn. Now you want to place here, so specify your source, then see what you have to do, enter an option to change name, intensity, 5 factors, status. So what you want you can change it from here. So okay, just press enter. So see, it is not visible. So from here again select that light first, and then for property mo, enter. Intensity factor is 1, so if increase as a 50. Now see, that much of brightness you will get. Just reduce it as a 40. So that much of here you cannot focus, because this is a normal a point type of light na? In a spot light you can focus your whatever, if you have placed the table, so you can focus it. Okay, now if you want 30, okay, 30, okay, as per that you can use the lighting effect. You can apply the lighting effect in your 3D object. So I hope all of you enjoy the session. See you in next one.